All right, in this video, we're going to talk about the web app, the website, the WhatsApp group, and the email. So this is the same communication channel we've been doing for the last couple of times. So for tracking all the performance and accessing your prompts and managing the task seamlessly, we use an web app. And for the website, we basically use that to identify and apply for the program. And WhatsApp group are the place where you can do the communication and connect with each other. And the third one is your this particular website, the FAQ website, where you can just go and ask the chatbot or anything regarding any FAQs, because we have sorted out almost like thousands of FAQs over here. So you will be getting a right answer which you are looking for. And the final thing, if you have any proposals or any other issues regarding the program or something, or if you want to do a design thing, try to do reach out to through email. So few do's and don'ts: don't try to reach out any of the admin people in the WhatsApp, because it's quite exhausting for them when you reach out from an unknown number. How will you be feeling like if some random people reach out to you on a WhatsApp and your number is getting exposed or whatever it is? So don't try to reach out personally on the WhatsApp. That would not be an encouraged way of doing it. You can have a communication in the WhatsApp group, and if you are a student ambassador and you know how to do the things properly, then try to be in a very nice way and explore all these things, and try to help other ambassadors as well, right? Yeah, that would be few things which I would be talking to you right now. And just give me a minute. So over here, you will be able to see all the queries which been answered, and I will be taking you a deep dive how to do this. So for example, if you search, for example, regarding engagement points, so it has already a listed FAQ appearing over here. That's why you are able to see it. So click on how to do ambassador engagements. And if you don't see any questions, you can ask the chatbot. Chatbot would take some time to load, but if you have something to ask, you can ask the chatbot over here. And over here, you will be having all FAQs, which is already been answered. So you can filter by the categories and you can able to see those things, right? So we'll be adding more points to it. And you will be also filtered by your language sooner, like Hindi or any other language which you're really comfortable with. And you will be having a categories of, again, this is also leading into particular engagements and student signups. So you will be able to see that over here. um, so how do you get a student signups for this, something like that. Now you will be also having a discussion box where you will be having can have a conversation, and we will be rolling out that so soon later. And again, the another one is like a chatbot. So this chatbot is basically help you to ask any related questions, for example, in a human way, like how you are asking in the WhatsApp group right now. So you can basically able to interact with this chatbot. So for example, you can just ask like uh, what are points. So it knows what is the points, and it will also suggest you some tips and everything. And you can ask what is this program is all about if you don't know. And you can use your voice mode and also attach anything, just like how you interact with the Google Gemini. All right. Awesome. So that's all about how you can reach out to us. And that's all about how you can reach out to us. And over here, this is how you can do an events. This is a sample thing. So you can have a help desk. Over here, you can display your QR code and you can make the student to sign up for it. So they will be very happy to do it. And you will be also receiving an onboarding kit with 1,006 stickers. And I will be explaining about what will all things will be there in the onboarding kit later. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, and you will be also getting these t-shirts and swags. So I hope you are excited for the next video. So we'll be seeing the next video, and then we'll be discussing do's and don'ts.